Guys, let's straighten my hair. So I have my thermal protection. This is a heat protection. So I'm gonna spray it all over my hair, and then I'm gonna be spraying it section by section. This hair is not combed. Through the storms and darkest nights, his hand is always near, guiding us with gentle care. He wipes away our fear. Family gathered close and tight through laughter and through tears. In his mercy we abide, he calms all our fears. Oh, the goodness of his love, shining bright each day. In the whispers of the wind, his presence will not sway. Thankful for the gift of life, the blessings from above. In every breath and heartbeat, I feel his endless love. Walking on this path of life with faith to lead the way. Every moment filled with hope, he never goes away. Through the highs and lowest lows, his light is always clear. With his love and mercy, he wipes away each tear. Oh, the goodness of his love, shining bright each day. In the whispers of the wind, his presence will not sway. See how this straightener is doing the Lord's work. He's actually doing the Lord's work, guys. He's straightening it like when the softest starlit night, his peace is ever near. So I want to put it on a cornrows when I'm done straightening it. So I just want it to be easier for me because the hair is quite. Follow in his footsteps, and in his love will turn. Oh, the goodness of his love, shining bright each day. In the whispers of the wind, his presence will not sway. Thankful for the gift of life, the blessings from above. In every breath and heartbeat, I feel his endless love. In the softest starlit night, his peace is ever near. Every step we take in faith, his guidance we revere. With our hearts we sing his praise, forever we will yearn. To follow in his footsteps, and in his love will turn. To follow in his footsteps, in his love will turn. Waking up to morning light, I see the sky above. Feeling blessed by all his grace, endless is his love. Flowers bloom with every dawn, his kindness is my song. In the trials we endure, he makes our spirits strong. Through the storms and darkest nights, his hand is always near, guiding us with gentle care. He wipes away our fear. Family gathered close and tight through laughter and through tears. In his mercy we abide, he calms all our fears. Oh, the goodness of his love, shining bright each day. In the whispers of the wind, his presence will not stay. Silent hours when the moonlight glows, I hear a whisper where the soft wind flows. Peace like a river gently finds its way, settles all the questions from my day. Stars above are twinkling in the midnight sky, speaking words of comfort as they drift on by, healing every worry, every doubt and fear. In the stillness, Christ's voice, crystal clear. Let the peace guide you deep in your heart, where questions fade worlds apart. Silent strength, like a gentle dove, healing power from above. In the hush of night, when the world's asleep, breathe in harmony, soft and deep. Christ's love wraps around like a gentle sea. In that moment, set your spirit free. Morning light breaks with a golden hue, bringing life to everything new. Peace still lingers in the fresh of dawn, guiding us until all fear is gone. Let the peace guide you deep in your heart, where questions fade worlds apart. Silent strength like a gentle dove, healing power from above. Let the peace guide you deep in your heart, where questions fade worlds apart. Silent strength like a gentle dove, healing power from above. Healing power from above. Healing power from above. Healing power from above. From above. Silent hours when the moonlight glows, I hear a whisper where the soft wind flows. Peace like a river gently finds its way, settles all the questions from my day. Stars above are twinkling in the midnight sky, speaking words of comfort as they drift on by, healing every worry, every doubt and fear. In the stillness, Christ's voice, crystal clear. Let the peace guide you deep in your heart, where questions fade worlds apart. Silent strength, like a gentle dove, healing power from above. In the hush of night, when the world's asleep, breathe in harmony, soft and deep. Christ's love wraps around like a gentle sea.